morning we'll talk about the Sleepcoat Mountains. Literally as true is heroism, which refers to the heroic, strong, pioneering, and self-sacrifice superiors and behavior so in order to complete historical tasks of great significance. Describe a god who seduced God take him to the ground and lived in the land like a poisonous snake. Black Coat is a kind young man. When he saw the villagers suffering and poverty because of the snake, he decided to kill it like his father. The Black gave a magic chemist that can defeat the snake. He was exhausted after killing the snake, forgot to take off his magic clothes, fell asleep, and slowly turned into a lost mountain surrounding the villages in order to remember the bravery and kindness of the Black. The villagers next called this mountain Sleepcoat. Into a mountain after falling asleep. He said to tell the villagers that I will protect you, and it can be considered another way to protect the villagers. At the end of this story, tell you why this short story is called Sleep